already said, I got special guests in the building. Introduce yourself.
Chanel. Hi.
What's your YouTube name?
Sim Pretty. Chanel Sim Pretty.
All my subscribers, check out her videos. On today's video, we are doing mukbang. The snacks. We got oatmeal cream pies. We got the honey buns. We got the fudge pound. The fudge round. My bad. We got more oatmeal cream pies. We got cinnamon toast crunch treats. Apple pie joints. The honey buns. Let's get right into this video, man. Yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Freddie Says. We got my girl. Who you be?
Chanel Sim Pretty.
YouTube.
Chanel Sim Pretty.
Holla. But we about to do this mukbang, man. You know, you about to go all in. You know, you about to address a lot of stuff. The gay pride coming up. July 27th? 26th, gay pride in New York. You know, I'm not gay. I don't judge nobody. But at the end of the day, like, please keep it that way. I'm cool with it. I'll be your friend. That's it. You know, ain't nothing else, ain't nothing more. But hey, let's get into this mukbang. I'll take off.
So what was the topic?
I'm talking about gay pride.
Oh, gay pride is a day where lesbians, bisexual, transgender, straight people sometimes be there at a parade for gay pride, where they all come together and just celebrate being gay. And lesbian relationships, queer relationships, as some people may say, some people with no titles, and it's a parade. People dressed in drag, dressed in costumes. Some people are half naked. Some people have body paint on. Some people have spray on. Some people have absolutely nothing on, like I said. You could drink, you could smoke. They open up the park in New York City at the pier, and everybody comes out and just celebrate being gay or bisexual or lesbian or queer, as I said. And it's just a really good time. Sometimes fights break out, sometimes they don't. You could go to bars out there, you could get something to eat out there, you could dance to music out there, you could play double dutch or celebrate being gay. It's just a really fun, happy time being out there most of the time. Sometimes you run into your ex out there, sometimes you might run into people you never knew was gay. And yeah, that's gay pride.
So, question to y'all. How many of y'all ever had 10 gay pride? And don't lie. I haven't. I haven't. Because now I used to be gay.
I'm bisexual, yes.
I'm bisexual.
Yeah.
With me, you know, I've been straight. You know, I haven't done no gay pride or anything. But I heard of it. You know, I never went to it. But I might attend it to see what's it about. You know, probably ask questions to certain people, you know, get their opinions on the matter. But yo, guess what? It should never about to be Team iPhone, y'all.
Yeah, because I have my Android and he keeps cracking jokes on my phone. So what?
Which phone is better to y'all? iPhone or Android?
Of course you're going to say iPhone. It is a better phone, but...
If y'all say iPhone, I'll give this video a thumbs up. If you say Android, I'll give this video a thumbs down. Or thumbs up. But if you new to the channel, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on my post notification bell. So you won't miss a single new episode uploads. But you about to continue with the bang. You know what I'm saying? We got more snacks on the way. Our snack bang. What else can we talk about?
Subscribe to my channel as well.
Oh yeah, I subscribe to her channel.
Yes, Chanel said.
You know, she do like makeup tutorials and hand tutorials.
Yeah.
You know, cause I'm about to teach her how to do the YouTube thing, how to edit her videos, or I might be her editor. Cause I edit like all my videos. I do my graphics, my intro, my outro, the music in the background, and all that I do. What else can we talk about? I tell them where you from, your age, like how many brothers and sisters you have, and all that.
Okay, well, my name is Chanel Monique, and my age is 29. My birthday just passed. I'm an Aries.
Aries getting in the building.
And I'm from Brooklyn, New York.
BK.
I have one sister.
And this came out mad big, y'all. Look at this tennis bar, y'all. Look. This one. Mad big.
It looks good. I never tried it.
That's more?
Yeah.
Oh, that one. We're gonna talk about why you eat. Finish talking why you eat.
Like I said, I have one sister, and that's it. I do have a sister and brother on my dad's side, but that's on my dad's side. No children. And that's it. That's all I have to say.
Alright. Who cheat the most?
Men.
Oh, men or women?
Most dudes that I run into, they cheat.
You heard that? Most dudes she ran into, and not all dudes.
Not all.
It's
Not
most
all.
dudes.
I didn't say all. I said
No,
most.
I'm saying it's most dudes she ran into.
They do cheat. It's not one that I've ran into that didn't turn me away and say, you know what, I'm not gonna cheat today. Mind you, I was the single one. They will always have like a girlfriend, a wifey, or like a baby mama, or just somebody that they were dealing with and wanted to still deal with me too as well. And that's just how it was. Men cheat the most.
Hey, quick commercial break, y'all. Quick commercial break.
A few moments later.
Agree to it
Yo.
like a dummy.
We back with the Mukbang. Had to take a quick commercial break. You know, we're gonna have commercial breaks in the video. We're gonna have one eternity later in the video. Gotta know how to edit. So if y'all got like any questions for us, well, for me, this is my channel. I'll probably make a channel with Chanel. You know, probably in the future, cause she doing her own thing. You know, I'm supporting her. You know, I'm doing my own thing. You know, my channel reached over 1,000 subscribers maybe like 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago, like last month I believe. So shout out to everybody who subscribed to my channel, and shout out to those 2 people who unsubscribed to my channel. I don't know who you are, but I seen it. But yeah, can you cook?
Yes, I can.
You can cook.
I cook a lot. I mostly make like soul food. I can make like pasta. I make like fish. I make like baked chicken, fried chicken, barbecue chicken, baked macaroni and cheese, regular macaroni and cheese, green beans, collard greens, biscuits, cornbread, rice. I'm still learning how to make like rice from scratch, but yeah, rice. What else? Lasagna. That's one of my mom's favorites. She loves when I make lasagna.
Yes, mine too. And baked ziti.
Yeah, baked ziti.
And baked ziti, y'all. And I'm like my grub ball. You see it? Snack bang. Snack. Bad snacks.
What else? Yep, I can make a lot of stuff. I can cook. Yes, I can.
Alright.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
What can you make?
Baked chicken, baked fish, baked shrimps. I grill. I make dirty rice, vegetarian beans, pancakes, waffles, homemade French toast. I'm trying to learn how to make an omelet. You know, like, you know how the omelet be looking at IHOP? I be looking so good. You be like, yo, how you make that?
How you can't make an omelet? That's simple to me.
I never tried. I ain't tried. Came out the hustle. So,
What else?
the next question. Would y'all date anyone who had kids? For me, I would, but then again, I wouldn't, because I've been down that route. I've been there. Like my last relationship, which I was in 13, and my ex had 5 kids, and she had a baby daddy who was married, and the baby daddy and the wife used to come over every day and eat up the food and put the dishes in the sink. So I get upset and I say something to my girl, you know what I'm saying? And my girl will get upset at me because she be like, oh, you don't live here, you don't got no right to say nothing to me, and all this and that and third. So, like, date somebody with kids, it's fine, it's cool at the same time. But once you break up, them younger kids who are attached to you, they're gonna be heartbroken.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna be like,
just watch what you say.
Don't leave, don't go, you know what I'm saying? Why mommy and all John's breaking up, you know what I'm saying? So the young kids gonna have a whole bunch of questions in their mind. What's your take?
I agree. It's just you have to watch what you say around them. You know, it's very difficult because they do have a bunch of questions like, are we gonna see this person again? Like, why this person is not around? I want to go over here. If they like being there and stuff like that, and it hurts, you know. So it's like, I don't think I would ever date again someone with kids. It's too many questions that they ask. I got in trouble one time for that. I learned my lesson one time with that. Yeah.
Hey, what's up with a 16-year-old? I get my honey right. Sleeping at their boyfriend and girlfriend house at 16. I don't know about you, but my mom's my stepdad. I ain't play that. I ain't having that. I'm trying to see where? Where? You trying to do what? Well, you better go in the house.
I mean,
you can have company, but ain't no sleeping over.
And leave the door open.
The door gotta be open. You gotta be on the porch. By the street lights come on. Anybody who know about the street lights coming on, know what I'm talking about.
Well, you gotta be sitting in the living room where everybody can see you.
Facts. I remember one time I had a girlfriend, and another girl had called the house, and I told my mom, I'm like, anybody who called me, tell them I'm my girl, cause we was in the living room. Like my mom's my stepdad was in the room, whatever, had the door closed and all that. You know, and my mom's called me by my government name. She's like, the phone for you. I'm like, who is it? I got the name it was, she said. But I'm like, I told you I'm with my girl. Just tell people I'm busy. Now, I'm like, you know what? I'm not about to argue with my girl. So I'm like, yo, what up? She's like, hey, you busy? I'm like, yeah, I'm with my girl. Da da da. And so she got mad at me. Like, Mom, what's wrong with that? How can you get mad? Please explain. How can you get mad at me? Because I'm chilling with my girl.
I didn't hear what you said.
You's not my girl. So how you gonna get mad at me because I'm having sex with my girl in the living room? And you wanna hold conversation? Yes, I said it.
Your parents got mad?
No, I had a female friend who liked me, but I never saw her. A quick commercial break, y'all.
Later.
YouTube world was good. We back with another bang. Honey by the time is still drinking my Sprite. You see,
You got a whole brisk iced tea.
Here's my brisk.
And look what I'm drinking.
You feel me? I bought 3 of these because I already knew I was going to be on the bank for a minute.
Well, you about to share. Sharing is caring.
No, I'm not sharing my Sprite or my brisk.
Yes, you are.
No, you can't tell me what to do.
You are.
See, couples like this be having me cracking up. Because, like, if you can't laugh in your relationship, like, your relationship is just going to go just downhill. Like, being in a healthy marriage relationship is about teamwork. It's about communication, life skills, life goals, understanding, listening.
Being on the same level.
Being on the same level. Agree. Being on the same level. You gotta communicate. You gotta understand. Like Escape said, what I need from you is understanding. We need to communicate. You hear me what I say. People, fellas, listen. We need to get our girls that 90s R&B vibe. Yes, I said it. Fellas, we need to get our girls that 90s R&B vibe again. And ladies, the same with y'all. Matter of fact, I don't even tell you what to do. I'm gonna have Chanel tell you what to do. Cause she a female, that's why I brought her on this bang with me. Cause we roomies and we homies. And she eating my almond cream pie. Look. Shut up. Look, y'all. Almond cream pie one day. My favorite pies. If I don't eat any more pies, if I don't eat any more pies, I'm gonna eat my almond cream pies. But tell the ladies how can they keep a man. Like, and how they can't keep a man.
I'm not gonna share that.
No, you need to share this. This is bang.
That's my secrets.
No, ain't no secrets.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It's rules to this.
Ain't
and
no
my
rules.
rule is I don't share my secrets.
Okay. It might be somebody I'm watching this bang who going through a heartbreak right now in a relationship and they need answers.
Well,
you feel me?
I mean, I can't per se on how to keep a man because at the end of the day, the guys that I was with, they're not here now. So how can I give advice on something like that? You're here, of course, but I'm just saying. That's how I feel. I can't give advice on that.
I'm just saying, like, just try your best. If somebody is watching this bang, a male or female, and y'all really tuning into this last message about how to find the love of your life, what input can we give?
You have to be consistent. You have to tell her the truth. You have to communicate with her.
Tell her and him the truth.
Yes, it does go both ways. You have to be on the same level, I guess, in a way, because it is levels to this. You have to keep yourself up and well kept. You can't let someone else bring you down, like past relationships. You can't let that break you. You have to be confident. You have to be independent. You can't be too reliant on the other person. Y'all both have to have a mutual agreement. You have to come to like, it's like crashing. Like you have to both be on the same level, on the same page as one another. I would say don't rush.
That's a good one.
Don't rush it.
Oh, listen.
Yeah, listening is a good one too as well.
Ladies, fellas, listen closely. If you feeling someone and they feeling you back and you really like them, do not rush to have sex. Please take your time, be considerate, and be patient. Because somebody will love you for you and accept you for you and your baggage. Ain't nobody perfect. Everybody has somebody out there that's just for them. You know what I'm saying? I went through a lot to find mine. And no, we not together yet, but we are dating. There's a big difference between being in a relationship and dating. It's a big difference, so understand that. But before we end this bang, I have a message from Brandon. It says he's on YouTube as well. Subscribe to his channel. Brandon says he texted me on my iPhone right here. As y'all see an iPhone. Salute to the game. He said, I wish I see myself 5 years from now. That's a good question. I don't know, to tell you the truth. Because anything can happen to me.
Right.
Anything can happen. You know, I can't promise myself that I'm going to be something in 5 years and I don't make it. But the best thing I can do is just be the person that I am now to be. And just consider whatever God wants me to be. And he says, what is my future goals? To finish school. I'll take care of my moms, have kids, of course, and get married. I'll get married to my best friend. And that's it. What about you?
Get married. You might want to change that last one because you do have a female best friend. And that's not something you would want to say to a person that you're dating.
Not like, no, listen, not like that.
No, it does make sense though.
Not like that.
It does make sense though.
Not like that. Like if I'm marrying my best friend, my woman gonna be my best friend.
Okay.
My woman is my best friend. I don't need no other best friend. I mean, I got female best friends, but my woman gonna be my best friend. But y'all, I just say for the bang. It's your boy Freddie Says.
Chanel said pretty.
We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Till the next video, till I drop. God bless. Put God first. Jesus is the best. The rest of you come. Alright? Peace.